July in the house for the full AMS Quick Disconnect setup.
In his goal full sound system.
Customer came in for bad installation.
Speakers was all hanging out. We took the bearing off. It's bad installation.
Amplifier is zip tied to the loom wire.
All that.
Who does that? Check out my installation now.
Look at mine.
Beautiful.
Step right here.
Slow mo. Wires ready to be loomed around the bags. 1-inch dome silk by Phoenix Gold. Metal loom.
Shrink wrap. Heat shrink.
Carpet.